Okay, summer may be upon us, but I'm still not tropical enough. So today we are going to be making the Caribbean Sunset. To start this cocktail, it's going to be a combo of building glass and shaking. So to start off, we're going to take 0.25 ounces of Blue Curacao. And we're going to put that directly into our highball glass. And then we're going to just kind of leave that guy alone for a hot minute. We're going to move to our shaker tin. Okay, so we're going to start off with 4 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. And that's going to go into our shaker tin. You're right, buddy. Orange juice. A tummy. Okay, so now that we have our orange juice in our shaker tin, excuse me, we're going to do 1 ounce of coconut rum. Excuse you. Goodness gracious. Whoa. Okay.
1 ounce of what?
Coconut rum.
Okay.
Oh, I did.
Distracted by the baby.
I know, I'm sorry. Well, he burped like really loud. Excuse you, young man. Don't raise heathens in this house. All right. Last but not least, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of vodka. So now that we have all of that into our shaker tin, we're going to add ice. Sorry. It's not picking up my ice cubes like it's supposed to. And then while we're at it, we're going to go ahead. We're going to add ice to our highball glass as well. Just do it cautiously so we don't splash the Blue Curacao too much like that. Don't do that. We want to keep all that Blue Curacao down at the bottom. Okay, that may have been like 1 cube too much. Yep. Nobody saw that. I'm the one drinking it anyway. Quit whining. Okay. I'm going to set our highball glass off to the side here. We're going to shake our shaker tin for about 15 to 20 seconds. Nice and cold in your hand. Ooh. Shot. Okay. So we did use fresh squeezed orange juice, so we're going to double strain. And we're going to do that very slowly. Don't go crazy here because otherwise you're going to disrupt the Blue Curacao at the bottom. And then if y'all remember from the last one, when I told my husband to strain our juice, Lord have mercy.
No pulp.
It's too much pulp. Look at that. Now I'm going to overflow things. Woohoo! See, look at this. I don't care. I'm drinking it. This was at the bar. I would not do this, obviously.
Wire.
Okay. Now that we have that all in there, we're going to garnish. Lord, I swear. See? Woohoo! Okay. So we've got an orange slice and a maraschino cherry. That's going to be our garnish for this one. And there we have... Crap, what the heck
Caribbean Sunset.
Caribbean Sunset. Thank you. I was like, I forgot what the heck this is called. Caribbean Sunset Cocktail. Gorgeous. Okay. So I'm going to taste. Scale is 1 is I would drink this, but move on to the next drink. 5 is I could drink this all night with no issues whatsoever. Now, it is a layered cocktail, so just give it a nice little stir just to incorporate that Blue Curacao. So it's going to make it green. Give me my spoon. Okay.
You passed art class.
I did. Look at me go. All of a sudden, we went from a Caribbean.
Yellow and blue make.
We went from a Caribbean sunset to Shrek. Okay, I'm not gonna yeet this one because I got so much hate for yeeting the last one. I did too. You got mad at me because I yeeted. Anyway, okay.
Unhinged even.
Everything about me is unhinged. Okay, definitely very coconutty, very citrusy, so I would definitely say Caribbean. Oh, that's nice. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like a mermaid water, but like again, good amount of coconut coming through. It's not super sweet, it's just sweet enough because we didn't add anything outside of the orange juice to make it sweet. You don't taste the vodka at all. You just taste the coconut and the orange juice. So a little bit almost like a painkiller, just not creamy. I think this is fantastic. If you want to envision yourself on the patio in the Caribbean, this is it.
They have patios in the Caribbean?
No. Like when you're on your patio here,
Oh.
like at your house, and you're envisioning yourself. Get it together.
It's a good old Caribbean patio drink.
Anywho's, for me, this guy, it's I gotta go 5 out of 5 on this one. I could drink this all night. I would probably hate myself in the morning because it goes down really, really smooth. I'm not gonna lie. But 5 out of 5 for me. Don't forget, ingredients are listed down below. That way you can make this one right in your home. If you do make it, let me know. I want to see what your rating is. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.